Hi guys, welcome to Virtu AI and Hybris Technologies. I'm Khaja Ali. Today I'm going to show how to create a GitHub account or register an account in GitHub portal by navigating to the GitHub official website. So let's get started. So before creating a GitHub account, let's have a look on GitHub registration prerequisites. The GitHub prerequisites are: you mainly need an email ID, username and password to perform sign up. For development work, install Git plus SSH key. For professional setup, prepare two-factor authentication, which is 2FA, and licensing choice, which is very essential. On GitHub, your username rules are: it can contain only alphabetical characters, that is from small a to z, numbers 0 to 9, or hyphens. It must start with a letter or number, not a hyphen. While creating a username, it should not contain any spaces or underscores, because if you try to use this or give this, it won't allow. So namespaces must not contain spaces or underscores. The length can be in between 1 to 39 characters, and it is case insensitive. Means if you try to give my username in that M and U N as a capital as shown here, GitHub will internally treat it as all small letters or characters. So let's create GitHub account. Now open the browser. Here I have created a Gmail ID and also login into my Gmail account in this Google Chrome browser. As you can see here, it's a new email ID. Now just type here GitHub, click on the first link. It will redirect to the GitHub official website. So here, as I have already logged into my Gmail account for the Google Chrome browser, just click on continue with the Google. So by automatically it will create the GitHub account for you. Click on this login email ID. Click on continue. So now you can see here email ID virtuai.hybristechnologies@gmail.com and the username. Here GitHub picked the username by default as virtuai hybris technologies-ui depending upon the email ID and the country India. So here with this lengthy username, people may have a question like creating a lengthy username may affect performance of GitHub and Git. So it's absolutely not. Creating a lengthy username does not affect the performance of GitHub and Git in terms of speed, repository handling, commits, branching, or while pushing or pulling the code. The only drawback at GitHub side are longer names are less readable, harder to type, and may look awkward in URLs. It's look like lengthy, look awkward, having a lengthy username. And at Git side, the only impact is a long commit author string makes logs slightly harder to read but has no effect on performance. The best practice in creating usernames are: keep username reasonable, short and professional, easy to share, type and remember. For Git commits, use a clear username instead of something exclusively long. For GitHub branding, choose something readable and align with your project or company name. So here I want to make username little bit short, more readable and branding align with my company name. So I'm just removing Virtu AI. Tech. Virtu AI Tech. So it is also contains a e-commerce repositories. So Virtu Mart Tech. AI. Virtu Martech AI. Awesome. This is the name of the username. Click on Create Account button. So here it is saying verify your account. Please solve a puzzle so we can safely create your account. Yeah. Visual puzzle. Yeah. W23. Submit. U. 2. Okay. U2. Submit. Your account is verified. Okay, great. So now we landed on this GitHub dashboard. So this is how the GitHub dashboard looks like. So before moving further, let's discuss what is GitHub. So GitHub is a web-based platform that hosts code and uses Git, a version control system tool that tracks changes of files. GitHub built on Git and added collaboration, project management, and automation tools. GitHub solves version history that addresses who changed what and when. Collaboration, that is, multiple developers can work on the same project. Code review and approval before merging. Automation, build, test, deploy directly from GitHub. Open source community contribution. Before GitHub, team used to email code files or share them via servers, which are very messy and error prone. So with GitHub, we can create organizations, create repositories, create a team within an organization, create branches, upload code, check out code, conduct code review and approval before merging features, create pull request to merge code after review, set up CI/CD pipeline to automatically build, test and deploy code after merging the large changes or new features, automation and many more. So here we need to complete our profile. Means I need to create my profile here. So update profile. So here we can create a repository. And these are start with GitHub docs. So these are some of the features and tools. Here we can see this is already installed in my local Visual Studio with Copilot, GitHub for desktop, which need to download and install. Let's discuss about GitHub features. The GitHub features are core Git and collaboration features, project and team management, developer productivity, secure features, CI/CD and automation, community and open source, enterprise and organization features, integrations and extensibility. GitHub new features and updates introduced. Agents panel, Gemini 2.5 Pro, GitHub Spark, GPT-5 and GPT-5 Mini, PR UI enhancements, enterprise and security upgrades. So this is all about creating GitHub account using Gmail ID. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to create an organization, which is optional but recommended for teams and companies, creating a repository, creating a team within the organization, which is basically created and managed by DevOps teams, sometimes by architect and team leads, who are responsible for monitoring and managing the GitHub hierarchy and workflow. Working on branches, creating a project, checkout, upload, pull, push, creating a PR, merge, all the development lifecycle you can cover in upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you. Bye bye.